Hey guys, welcome back to the Bam Bam Fabrication YouTube channel. On this episode of the international build, I get the doors rebuilt, I get the sound deadener and the carpet sorted out for the interior, I get the front bar modified and mounted, I get the old Traff jigsaw modified and fitted to the chassis, and I go ahead and get the bodywork for the roof buttoned up and get it back in primer. As always guys, if you can do us a favour, like, comment, share and subscribe, that'd be awesome. So let's get in the video guys. Righto guys, Monday morning, getting back into it. Had a bit of a successful weekend working on the drift car. My brother came out, we got some work done on it. Little peekaboo there with the air cleaner. So yeah, it's coming along really nice. So yeah, let's get back in the international. What I'm going to do straight up is I'm going to disassemble the doors, or I should say spare doors. These got windows, regulators, everything I need. Those doors were more or less bare when I got them, so yeah, strip these doors, get everything cleaned up, painted, and I want to get the windows in those doors. So yeah, let's get into it. Righto guys, this is where we're up to. Got the driver's side quarter glass built and put in. I'm waiting on the the Bailey channel that goes in there. I've got the ones that go over the top here, but yeah, waiting for those strips to come in. Currently rebuilding that passenger one, just got them out in the yard there drying. So probably going to go ahead and fit the door rubbers. They go around the doors there, and probably look at actually laying down the dynamat. So I might pull everything out of the cab, lay the dynamat down, and yeah, by that time the other quarter window should be dry and get that rebuilt and installed. Alright guys, this is where I got up to yesterday. Got the car builders dynamatting down. I don't know what you call it, sand and stuff. I still got a bit more to do just on the top of the tunnel there, but yeah, really happy with how that's laid down. Went ahead and got I found some Bailey channel in town here and fitted it to the door. Went ahead and yeah, glued the door rubbers on, got the catch and that in. So gonna rebuild the quarter window for the passenger side, get that in, and then yeah, look at probably look at mounting that tray. Actually, got to lift it up and mount it, and then once that's done, probably move on to the bodywork on the roof. So yeah, let's get in this quarter window first. Righto guys, this is what we're up to. Got the windows, all the rubbers in the doors. So basically, yeah, all the doors are sealed off now. So yeah, next move, probably starting in the morning, is yeah, start sanding that bog on that roof. Keep that bodywork going. Yeah, dynamatic's done in the floor. Finish it off, the bits that are left, so everything's done. Firewall, tunnel, floor. So that's all good. Yeah, so yeah, we'll get into the bodywork. Righto guys, so I got all the glass in the doors, got the door handles, catches, latches, all that stuff on there yesterday. Sounded is finalised. I give this right front guard a light polish there. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. So anyway, moved on. Going to put the underlay in this thing. Got this acoustic liner from car builders to go with the sound deadener. So yeah, gonna get stuck into that. Alright guys, got that acoustic liner laid down, cut out, stuck down. So yeah, that's looking really good. Really good product and stuff. I got leftover carpet from when I did jigsaw. Looks like I'm gonna have enough of it to do yeah the rest of this cab. So just cutting it out at the moment, yeah, and just seeing if it's gonna fit, and if it works, yeah, we'll get it stuck in. Righto guys, looks like we're gonna have plenty of carpet here. So it's just a matter of yeah, cutting it out, getting it final suit. Then I'll probably pull it out and yeah, take it to the trimmer, get him to hem the edges and sew some foot mats in it. So yeah, we'll get this trimmed out properly. Righto guys, so I got that carpet all trimmed out to suit there. Yeah, it's going to work out really well. Going to pull it out and take it over the motor trimmers now, see if we can yeah, hem the edges and all that for us. So yeah, get that done. Righto guys, not sure where I left you off at, but I was having to play with the front bar on this thing. I got an old twisted Valiant bar there. I was going to yeah, start playing around with it, but then I had a spare truck bar there, started playing with it, didn't like the way it looked. There's way too much clearance on the side. So what I ended up doing was yeah, taking a bit of a V out of the middle of it, tweaking it around and trimming the ends to suit. Yeah, really liking the way it's looking. So gonna go ahead there and mount it, and yeah, buzz up the middle where I've cut it, and yeah, see how she looks. Rightio guys, so I got those bumper bar brackets made, got them bolted on, sat the bumper bar where I wanted it. Now I've got it tacked on there. Really happy with how this thing's looking. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull the bumper bar back off, weld out the bar brackets, and I just gotta fill in the cuts there where I split the bar to bend it. So yeah, gonna get into it. Rightio guys, Monday morning, getting into it nice and early. Spent a little time there Sunday. Decided on the front bar, as you would have seen. Really happy with that, how that has turned out. So what I'm actually going to do, I've just pushed it forward a little bit. Going to lift the tray off and got to get it mounted. It's got to come up higher. Once the tray is mounted, I'm probably going to cut those tubs out, move them forward slightly and out to match this truck. Going to go ahead, get that done, and then once the tray's bolted down, locked down, move my attention to the roof. So yeah, get into this tray. Rightio guys, so I went ahead, ripped that tray off. I know I've made the spacings I need to remount this tray. Gonna go ahead and knock the old mounts off underneath, remake the new ones. And debating, but I might go ahead and cut these guards out straight away too. So yeah, get into these mounts and then them guards. Rightio guys, so I went ahead, got the tubs cut out of the tray, took the floor out of it. Went ahead, the old rear panel, I've trimmed it down and mounted. I've already mounted one of the tail lights. It's going in the actual frame of the tray. Still got to mount the other one, but yeah. Got the number plate, swing away mounted. That's how you're gonna access the fuel on this thing now. So yeah, it's coming along. I just tacked the mount extensions on there. So I've got to fully weld them out. Once I've done that, bring the truck back in, sit the tray down, then I'm gonna make the rear mounts, and then get them tubs set up. You get the tubs set up in there, and weld them in. So I'll get into it. Rightio guys, this is where we're buttoning it off for the day. Like I said, got the tray on, that one tail light mounted, the number plate, flip down assemblies mounted, and finished the day with starting body work on the roof. Just put some red oxide over the bare metal patches. So yeah, button up for the day, get back into tomorrow. Rightio guys, next morning. So yeah, I finished sanding that roof off there yesterday, cleaned it up this morning, reapplied the bog. Hopefully this is the last lot of bog I have to put on the roof. It was looking pretty good, but yeah, just wanted to clean up a few hollow spots there. So yeah, getting that buttoned up. While that's curing, gonna go ahead and fit this other tail light on the right hand side there. Go ahead and fit that up. Thinking I might clean this tow bar up and get it fitted as well, because it's gonna mount, it mounts off one of the tray holes there, so it's got to go on before the tray. So yeah, get that other tail light in, probably clean that bar up, and then look at finish these tubs, install potentially. So yeah, get into it. Rightio guys, so I skipped ahead all of the boring stuff, all the sanding and bogging. I've got the roof ready to go back into epoxy primer. So yeah, just mixed up a batch over there. Gonna give it a squirt and let it go off. Once I got enough coats on it, probably move back to getting them tubs final locked in. So yeah, we'll get into it. Rightio guys, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you can like, comment, share and subscribe, that'd be awesome, and I'll catch you on the next one.